So hello everyone, this is a worksheet of quadratic equation class 10. So we'll discuss these 8 questions. These 8 questions are 8 types of questions. So you see this attentively. I hope your whole chapter will be revised. Okay, so question number 1, x is equal to minus bc upon 80 is a solution of the quadratic equation. So if you want to show that solution, then in the left hand side you have to put the value of x. Okay, so this is ad square already there, a upon b into x. In place of x we have put this minus bc upon ad. Again this is 2c upon the outside, minus bc upon ad, because value of x we have put it here. So this is plus bc square. Now you can see this bb cancel, a cancel. So this is ad square and this is minus c upon d plus 2c upon d uh, into minus bc upon ad plus bc square. So ad square into 2c by d and minus c by d, so it will be c by d only into minus bc upon ad plus bc square. Now cancel out, d square cancel, whole d square cancel out. Okay, and this is a cancel, so this is minus bc square and plus bc square. You see this, you multiply c and minus bc, so this is minus bc square plus bc square, so it is 0. Okay, so since it is 0, therefore equal to RHS 0. If you can get the value of if you get left hand side and right hand side equal for x is equal to this, then definitely x will be solution of it. Otherwise, if a whole expression is equal to 0, then x will be a solution. Okay, fine. Now next question. So if you want to take the screenshot, you can take the screenshot. Okay, all right. Next question number 2, solve this equal to 0. Solve, this is we will solve this by factorization, middle term factorization. If no instruction is given, then middle term factorization is the best process to do this. So this is 2a square 5ab plus 2b square. So generally we break this part we will break it. 2a square, 2a square, just a second, 2a square 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. If you do middle term factorization, then you will get it 2 square, 2 and 2 4, 4 and 4 into 1 5. So we will take 4ab plus 1ab plus 2b square. So if you take 2a common, so this will be a plus 2b, b common, a plus 2b. So this is a plus 2b into 2a plus b. I need 9 into a plus b. So what we will do, we will do this one, this minus this, 9 will be outside this, 9x square. Okay, this will be 9x square, 9x square. Okay, all right. So minus 9 will be here, and these two factor we use, 2a plus b minus a plus b. You see it is coming a plus b only if you simplify. Outside this x, and this part we will write in factorization form, a plus 2b into 2a plus b. Okay, now expand, 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x plus 9 into a plus, just a second, 9 into 2a plus b into x minus minus plus. Okay, plus 9 into, this is a plus, this is 2a plus b, a plus b na. Okay, so you add this, so you will get 3a plus, this is 2b b. So if you add, then 3a, and either you have to add or you have to subtract. Okay, so 2a plus b into a plus 2b, so you are getting 3a plus 3b. Okay, so we need 9ab, so we are giving 3 outside, so 3 3 is 9. If you add, then you will get 3a plus 3b. So you take 3 common, so you will get it what, 3 into a plus b. One more 3 will be here. Fine, because 3 factor is what, 9 factor is what, 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So in this way we can do this. So we are writing 3 here. Okay, and one more plus minus minus 3 here. Then this is a plus twice b into x. Fine, this is a plus 2b into 2a plus b. Now take common. You take 3x common, you will get 3x minus 3 into 2a plus b, and from the last two term you take minus a plus 2b, so you will get it 3x minus 2a plus b, 2a plus b, right? So you see these two terms are common, this is common and this is common inside the bracket. Okay, so ultimately what will be the factorization? So this is 3x minus 3 into 2 plus b, this multiply 3x minus a plus 2b. Okay, so this is the final factorization of this. So if you make it 0, then you will get two value of x. One is x is equal to 3 3 will be cancelled, 2a plus b, another will be x is equal to a plus 2b. So these are the two values. Okay, if you make it equal to 0 and this equal to 0, because after factorization you will get this, so this right side will be 0, so either this is 0 or this is 0. So these two values, x is equal to 2a plus b, x is equal to a plus 2b. Okay, you can pause and you can check it. Okay, next question is number 3. If the roots of the equation this are equal, then so that this roots of the equation equal. So Sidor Acharya formula you have to write down. You have to find out the discriminant d b square minus 4ac. Since small a small b are present, so we not take this. So tell me b is what? B minus c, coefficient of x. So this is b square minus 4ac. A value is what? A minus b. C value c minus a. Okay, so you expand this, b square minus 2bc plus c square minus 4 into this is ac minus a square minus bc plus ab. So finally b square minus 2bc plus c square minus 4ac plus 4a square plus 4bc plus minus 4ab. Okay, so anything, cancellation. Let me check it once again. Yes, if equal, then it will be a is equal to this. Okay, so discriminant will be 0, d will be 0 actually. Okay, so if you simplify, then what we can see keep all a square related term one side and BEC related term one side. Okay, you see that this is minus 2BC and 4BC. So you're getting B square plus 2BC, okay, plus C square, and AC is present, AC is not present. Okay, all right. So this is 4 square left, 4 square left, and 4 square left minus 4AC and 4 AB, this left. Okay, so what we can do, we can write down this is as B plus C whole square. Fine. This is 4b square, and if you take 4 4a common, then b plus c from these two. Okay, so this is ultimately b plus c minus 2 into b plus c into 2a plus 2a whole square. Okay, so this is 4a, we can write down 2a whole square. Fine, and this part we have drawn in this way, we have written in this way. So finally it is a whole square form. Whole square of what? Whole square of bc minus 2a it whole square. Series a square minus 2ab plus b square. Understand? So this is equal to 0. D, next step you will do this. D is equal to 0 means this equal to 0. Whole square 0 means the inside the square the whole expression will be 0. So next line you are getting b plus c is equal to 2a. That is your proof. B plus c is equal to 2a. All questions are very interesting, and each question come in board exam. Okay, so once again I am telling, so you compare this equation with ax, by and c, then discriminant d will be 0. Put down the value and you can see the simplification. Okay, so finally it will be b plus c whole square. Okay, minus 2 into b plus c, 2a plus 2a whole square. So this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is this and b is this. A minus b whole to the power 2 whole square is equal to 0. So whole square is 0 means expression will be also 0. So finally you are getting bc is equal to 2a. Okay, alright, next question. Next question, a plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time, and in order to reach the destination 15 kilometer away from it in time, it has to increase the speed by 250. Means if a plane start moving after 30 minutes, so usual speed will not be possible to reach. So it has to increase the speed. Okay, so suppose usual speed usual speed is what? Usual speed is equal to x किमी पर आवर. ठीक है, so time schedule time is what? Time is 1500 distance by speed, a schedule time. Okay, so if speed increase by 250, then time will be what? This one. Okay, so this is the time. Okay, this is the time. So and schedule time is what? This. So this time is less than this time. Okay, because speed we have increased, so this time is less than this time. How much less? 30 minutes less. That means 1500 this minus this. In this condition, this is 30 minutes, mean 30 by 60 hour, 1 by 2. If you take 1500 common, then it will be 1x, 1 upon x, 1 upon x plus 250. This is equal to 1 by 2. Now if you simplify this, you will get the value of x. Okay, you will do it and tell me what value is coming. All right, so this is schedule time. Malo this takes 3 hours, and in the next case it takes 30 minutes. That means 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so these both are timing. Distance by speed is timing. So first condition and second condition, times difference is 30. That is why 30 we have converted into hour, 30 by 60. Okay, 1500 common, you will get the value of x. Okay, next question. Okay, completing square means, completing square means you have to make it, you have to convert it into square form. So how to do this? We are writing in this way: root 2x it whole square. Okay, completing square, right? Fine. Root 2, we will not take root 2. We can take, yes, in this way. If you take root 2, it's not a problem. Hmm. Oh, we can write down root 2x whole square. Okay. Plus we need x only. So we will root 2ab this. So to get x we will divide by what? 2 root 2. Fine. So you are getting 2 root 2, 2 root 2 will be cancelled. Only x will be left over. I am telling you that 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 will be cancelled. X will be left over. Okay. So this plus b square. B means what? This one. 1 upon 2 root 2 with a whole square. Okay. So since this is my extra part, so I will subtract 1 to 2 with a whole square plus 4 is as it is. So finally you are getting root 2x plus 1 upon 2 root 2 with a whole square. And this part is coming what? 1, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 4 is equal to 0. Root 2x plus 1 to root 2 whole square is equal to 4. This is coming what? Plus 32 minus 1. 31 upon minus 31 upon 8. Okay, fine. So that means something square will be negative. Is it possible? So if it is like this, so we can write down this is equal to root over minus 31 by 8. But you know this root and negative square root of a negative number is imaginary. So this is not real. This is not real. That is why we can show, since this is equal to this is imaginary, so value of x will be imaginary. We will not get the real value. Okay, so complete square means you have to make it x square form, then you have to proceed. Okay, if it is suppose coming positive, then real root is possible. Suppose this is coming plus 31 upon 8, so positive, so it's possible, root over is possible. But since it is minus, so real root is not possible. Okay, all right. Number 6, using graphical methods, find whether system or linear equation consistent or not. So this is x-axis. X is equal to 0 means, x is equal to 0 means this y-axis, right? And y is equal to minus 7 means x is equal to constant mean parallel to y, and y is equal to constant mean parallel to x. So here minus 7 means 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 7. So line will be this way. Okay. So using graphical, this linear equation is consistent or not. So one line is this, x is equal to this, another y is equal to this. Okay, so obviously consistent, one solution is present. This point is point of intersection and this point is 0 comma minus 7. So line is consistent and point of intersection is 0 comma minus 7. Okay, so one is parallel to x y axis, another x axis, but distance is 7, negative direction. One point of intersection is present, 0 comma minus 7. So this is obviously consistent. Okay, next question. The least positive value of this quadratic equation has rational root. Okay, so rational root, this means rational root means d is perfect square. Your d will be perfect square number. This thing is not in your book, but question come from this concept. So rational root means d is perfect square. So here what will be d? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. B is k square minus 4 ac. Okay, 4ac. 4a is 2, a is 2 and d is minus 4. Okay, so this is b square minus 4ac. 4a, this is b square means k square minus 4a into c. This is equal to k square. This is plus 1632. That means root d will be what? root over k square plus 32. Understand? But d will be perfect. D is what? D is root over this, root over this. So d is root over this. Discriminant d is equal to this. So this one, yes. So d will be perfect square. So what will be the least value of this? See, if you take k is equal to 0, then 32, not a perfect square. Okay, k is equal to 1, 33, not a perfect square. If you take k is equal to 2, then 2 square is 4. K square plus 32 will be what? 2 square is 4 plus 32, that is 36, which is a perfect square. So least value of k will be what? Least value of k will be 2. Okay, if you take more value, that is not a problem, but least value will be k is equal to 2. So that means in case of rational, you have to remember that the root over this b square minus 4ac will be what? Perfect square, perfect squares. So what value of k is coming? 36, 2. Okay, so least value, first k is equal to 2, we get 36, and this is perfect square, 36 is perfect square. So k is equal to, least value will be k is equal to 2. Okay, all right. Next is number 8. Find the value of k has real and equal. These things you know. This real equal means d will be 0. That means root over b square minus 4ac. That means b square minus 4ac will be 0. In place of b, you will put which one? Yes, probably 2k plus k minus 1. This is x, I think. So this is b square minus 4, a is 1, this is 1. You make it 0, you will get the value of k. Okay, b square minus 4ac equal to 0, you will get the value of k. Okay, all right, thank you so much. We'll see you soon with another video. Thank you so much.